Lunch break done. Back out on the trail, and we're actually backtracking the way we come into Pemberton now, because while we were sat at lunch, I was looking through some GPX waypoints I had, and I've got a whole heap of old fire towers marked as waypoints. So I've just loaded them into DMD. And we're going to go and check a couple out, see if they're even still there, or if there's any remnants of them, or what there is. So the more popular ones are on there as well, like the Diamond Tree Lookout. What's the one in Pemberton?
Gloucester Tree.
The Gloucester Tree. Those are on there, but we're looking for the more obscure ones that are just sort of been left out in the bush now.
Yeah.
So
we stopped at one and had a coffee, one of our trails down to Northcliffe last year. And it's one we know fairly well. We always miss the turn off. And it's got a restoration project, but we don't know what some of these others might even have, so worth a look.
So the first one's just out the road here a bit, out at, what do they call it, Big Tree?
Big Tree.
So it's a wee ways off, 14 k's out to there. So we'll mosey on out there and see what we find when we get there. Good spot to have it, up on the hill.
Yep.
So far, so good.
No tower. I reckon it was that tree.
It was that tree.
Yep, it definitely was. You can see the stakes. Good.
Yep.
Oh, how cool is that?
There you go, you can see the ladder up the side of the old tree. And the top of the tree is been probably broken out at some stage, I suppose. So no fire tower up there.
Yeah, these old trees get to a certain age and they're done.
Yeah. Oh, cool. That's good.
That is very cool.
That's exactly the result we were sort of looking for. Let's go for a quick wander in there and see.
Well, paparazzi. I'm giving orders again. Sorry.
Yeah, landscape, eh? None of this portrait stuff.
Do you want the photo?
Anybody that makes a thumbnail knows you can't use portrait photos.
That's so cool.
She's a big tree.
Yeah.
She's a massive tree. It does have a number, HSD24.
It's just a little bit of scale. That is... I don't even come... Woo, close.
Oh well, there we go.
That is cool.
So I'll leave the definitely leave the waypoint marked on the map for this one. If anybody else that wants to come and have a look at it. Can't really climb this one anymore.
No.
But yeah, cool to know there's still some remnants of it here. All right, back on the trail. Let's punch in the next one, see where it takes us. Uh-oh.
How long has it been there?
Oh, there's a track. Do you want to go and walk that?
Yep. It's a steep up. Oh, she tight. That's all right.
It's all right?
Yeah, I think so. It's tight down. Oh. Soft.
Ooh.
Soft. One more. Yeah. Maybe not.
Just give me a little push. Oh, there we go. Just need more speed.
Coming around the side with the bit, it's quite tight.
Oh, Lewis, hope we don't have to go back that way. Right, another little detour. Passengers jumped off.
Yep.
Whew, that wasn't very graceful. But we're out.
No more, please.
Yeah, we've got to keep going this way now.
Yeah. That works.
Well, there we go. That works. This will bring us back down onto Palings Road again.
It's a little bit of a steep drop, is it? No. Not too bad.
Cars coming?
Nope. Right, the bridge. That was fun.
There we go. How's that?
That was alright.
Not too bad.
Yeah.
Here we are. Just going to turn onto Dixon Road. Just right here. And the next fire tower we're looking for is called the Dixon Fire Tower. It's only 5.5 k's along here now. Just come past old mate here sunbathing in the middle of the road.
He did not flinch.
Hasn't moved a muscle. He might run up my leg if I park here.
Hey, isn't he beautiful?
Not too worried at all.
I'm going to see if I can get a picture again. Oh, wow.
Look at this one. This one's still a ridgy ditch tower.
Oh, it's got the tower, the box on top. And we've got a bit of shade. We can stop and have a drink.
Might put the drone up for this one.
Yeah.
hopefully the drone footage come out okay and you get to have a bit of a closer look at that tower. But that's the Dixon Fire Tower. Pretty happy we come in to have a look at that. It was good.
Yeah. Oh, there is a little sign in there beside the shed. Probably just a no entry sign or do not climb or something.
I would say so.
Yep, public access prohibited.
Yep. Very cool.
Very cool.
All right. So we're only 30 k's back to Nannup where we're camped up for the night. So we're just going to head straight back up the highway.
Yeah.
And that'll see us there about 4 o'clock or so. Enough time to have a bit of a freshen up, go and get some cool drinks.
Yes.
Sort out what we're going to do for dinner. And that'll be it. So that's pretty much the ride for today. Thanks for coming along. Hope you enjoyed it. Those that are interested in DMD, hopefully that might, I don't know, give you a little insight into how it operates. By no means am I a good operator of it. I'm still learning. I've only been using it for a few months, so but so far it's been really good.
Yep.
So as always, hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed, hit that button as well. If you're looking for the GPX trail and the waypoints or the fire towers and all the stuff that we've looked at on today's ride, get on over to reganrides.online and check it out there. Sign up. It doesn't cost you anything to sign up, and you'll get a notification or an email sent out when we do a new blog post, which I think normally happens when we put up a new track.
Yeah, or about once a month if we have anything that's happening in the world. Yeah.
So other than that, that's it. Well, we got about a K and a half out to the road, and then we're just going to bitumize it back up to Nannup. So we'll see you on the next ride. Hope you enjoyed.
Bye.
Bye.